Have you recently added a feline friend to your family? Congratulations! We know you'll be thrilled to have your new cat in your home. We are going to tackle some of the most useful tips for new cat parents, and for those looking to brush up on their pet care skills. Feeding your cats. We recommend purchasing high-quality, brand-name kitten or cat food. Your veterinarian will be able to assess your new cat or kitten, and determine the best diet. Factors such as age, activity level and health make a difference in what and how much a cat should eat. Cats require taurine, an essential amino acid, for heart and eye health. The food you choose should be balanced for the life stage of your cat or kitten. Properly balanced foods will contain taurine. You will need to provide fresh, clean water at all times, and wash and refill your cat's water bowls daily. Treats should be no more than 5 to 10% of the diet. Many people feed baby food to a cat or kitten who is refusing to eat food, or is not feeling well. Please read labels carefully. If the baby food contains onion or garlic powder, your pet could be poisoned. Take your pet to your veterinarian if signs of anorexia, diarrhea, vomiting, or when lethargy continue for more than 2 days. Grooming your cat. Most cats stay relatively clean and rarely need a bath, but you should brush or comb your cat regularly. Frequent brushing helps keep your cat's coat clean, reduces the amount of shedding, and cuts down on the incidence of hairballs. How to handle or carry your cat. To pick up your cat, place one hand behind the front legs and another under the hindquarters. Lift gently. Never pick up a cat by the scruff of the neck, or by the front legs. Your cat's personal space or cat house. Your pet should have her own clean and dry place in your home to sleep and rest. Line your cat's bed with a soft, warm blanket or towel. Be sure to wash your cat's bedding regularly. Please keep your cat indoors. Outdoor cats do not live as long as indoor cats. Outdoor cats are at risk of trauma from cars, or from fights with other cats, raccoons and free-roaming dogs. Coyotes are known to eat cats. Outdoor cats are more likely to become infested with fleas or ticks, as well as contract infectious diseases. If allowed outdoors, your cat must wear a safety collar and an ID tag. Hello. This video is sponsored by Bmix Pets. Are you looking for high-quality cat collars at an affordable cost? Check out bmixpets.com. Use coupon code KittenLife to get 20% off. Cleaning up your cat's waste. All indoor cats need a litter box, which should be placed in a quiet, accessible location. In a multi-level home, one box per floor is recommended. Avoid moving the box unless absolutely necessary, but if you must do so, move the box just a few inches per day. Keep in mind that cats won't use a messy, smelly litter box, so scoop solid wastes out of the box at least once a day. Dump everything, wash with a mild detergent and refill at least once a week. You can do this less frequently if using clumping litter. Cats and scratching. Cats need to scratch. When a cat scratches, the old outer nail sheath is pulled off and the sharp, smooth claws underneath are exposed. Cutting your cat's nails every 2 to 3 weeks will keep them relatively blunt and less likely to harm the arms of both humans and furniture. Provide your cat with a sturdy scratching post, at least 3 feet high. The post should also be stable enough that it won't wobble during use, and should be covered with rough materials such as sisal, burlap, or tree bark. Lastly, your cat's health. Your cat should see the veterinarian at least once a year for an examination and annual shots, and immediately if she is sick or injured. Never give your cat medication that has not been prescribed by a veterinarian. If you suspect that your animal has ingested a poisonous substance, call your veterinarian immediately. If this video was helpful, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.